The standard ratio for average mortar is 1 part water to 3 or 4 pots mix. The two most common materials for the bottom of your pool are vermiculite and grout. You'll apply whatever material you choose right on top of the soil. The distinctive notches on the sides of the trowel create an even base of rigid mortar. That makes the perfect base for tiles, especially for larger ones. Concrete edgers produce a neat, rounded edge along the slab perimeter, which helps the slab resist chipping and spalling damage after the forms are removed. The Minoans built the first segmental pavements in 5000 BC. Diamond saw blades are typically the best option for cutting hard, dense materials such as stone and brick. Using pump sprayers is great, as they are very lightweight and comfortable. Installing a tile floor can be a time-consuming work. It can take a week to get the whole project accomplished. A coat of a smoother material makes any concrete piece a lot easier to work with. Metal gutters require overlapping two pieces and welding to join them. The choice of mortar for the brick joint can have a dramatic impact. The overall appearance of the brick facade. Modular paving is an extremely versatile, cost-effective option for building outdoor patios, pathways, and stairs. Thermalite is an exceptionally sustainable building material that contributes to the construction of environmentally efficient buildings. Skim coats are fine mortars applied onto walls and ceilings. Lightweight fixtures can hold up on plaster or drywall if you have an electrical box. Paver lifters are back savers. They allow you to move heavy pieces easily, without hurting you or anyone in the process. The durability of pavers will depend a lot on the type, but usually they can last 50 to 100 years. Jacks like this one help create a perfectly straight ceiling in rounded rooms. Only around 10 to 15% of concrete is cement, which is itself mostly made up of lime. Between 60% and 65% is made up of an aggregate. Ceiling decorations are often called ceiling tiles, ceiling panels, or ceiling coverings. They are used to improve the appearance and insulation of a ceiling. Vacuum lifting equipment is widely used in many industrial sectors for the lifting and handling of materials and components that have a flat or smooth surface. There are many ways of creating a faux brick wall. Here is one. You can also find plaster boards with faux brick. Formwork molds the concrete to the desired size and shape and controls its position and alignment. A skim coat is a thin layer of drywall joint compound that gives walls a glass smooth finish. The only effective way to cut paving is by using a diamond blade. The lifespan of asphalt roofs varies from 15 to 50 years. The most popular types of stamped concrete are natural stone patterns such as slate, flagstone, and fieldstone. Thermoplastic road marking paint is the most favored material for road marking. To get an even surface, smooth the concrete with a steel trowel after it's partially hardened. Most modern chimneys have a protective coating called a chimney liner. This inner liner can be made from aluminum, stainless steel, or other fireproof materials, and it can't keep too much heat from reaching the rest of your home. Corner bead is used in drywall finishing for two reasons: to stabilize and reinforce corners and to cover the visible seam between the two separate drywall boards, creating a seamless 90-degree angle. Here you have a quick method to cut an irregular shape. A proper base for paver material should always be used, even if you feel that your underlying subgrade is suitable.
Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.